everyone, hopefully you're doing well. I am Nora from digitizings.com. After many requests, today we'll share details about the Ricoma MT-1503 triple head embroidery machine. But before we start, if you need embroidery digitizing, vector art services, or even digital marketing solutions, check out digitizings.com. Services start at just $5 with fast delivery, free edits, and secure common problems and troubleshooting. Ricoma MT-1503 triple head embroidery machine. Introduction, welcome to digitizings.com. In today's video, we will discuss the common problems that embroidery machine owners face with the Ricoma MT-1503 triple head embroidery machine and how to troubleshoot them effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced embroiderer, this guide will help you keep your machine running smoothly. 1. Thread breakage issues causes: incorrect thread tension, poor quality thread, needle damage, thread, path obstruction. Troubleshooting, check and adjust the thread tension to ensure it is neither too tight nor too loose. Use high quality embroidery thread to prevent frequent breakage. Inspect the needle for bends or dullness and replace it if necessary. Make sure the thread is passing through the correct thread path without knots or tangles. 2. Bobbin thread not picking up causes: incorrect bobbin placement, lint or dust buildup in the bobbin case, bobbin tension issues. Troubleshooting, ensure the bobbin is placed correctly with the thread winding in the correct direction. Clean the bobbin area regularly to remove lint and debris. Adjust the bobbin tension if the thread is too loose or too tight. 3. Needle breakage causes: improper hooping of fabric, wrong needle type or size, high sewing speed. Troubleshooting, make sure the fabric is hooped tightly to prevent unnecessary movement. Use the correct needle type and size for the fabric and design. Reduce the sewing speed when working with thick materials or dense designs. 4. Machine not starting or freezing causes: power supply issues, software glitches, emergency stop button engaged. Troubleshooting, check if the power cable is properly connected and there is no voltage fluctuation. Restart the machine and reset the software settings if needed. Ensure the emergency stop button is released before operating the machine. 5. Uneven or misaligned stitches causes: fabric shifting during embroidery, loose hooping, machine calibration issues. Troubleshooting, stabilize the fabric with proper backing to prevent shifting. Ensure the fabric is hooped securely and not loose. Perform a calibration check to ensure the machine's alignment is correct. 6. Thread nesting, bird nesting causes: incorrect threading, bobbin tension too loose, thread caught in the bobbin area. Troubleshooting, rethread the machine carefully, ensuring the thread follows the correct path. Adjust the bobbin tension for smooth operation. Remove any thread buildup from the bobbin area and clean it properly. Conclusion: these are some of the most common problems that Ricoma MT-1503 users experience and their troubleshooting solutions. Regular maintenance, proper machine setup, and correct threading can help you avoid most issues and keep your embroidery projects running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more embroidery tips and guides.
If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust digitizings.com to deliver accuracy. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.